Which organ is primarily responsible for detoxifying the body? A. Spleen. B. Liver. C. Intestine. D. Pancreas. Correct answer, B. Liver. The next question is, which part of the body contains more than half of total body bones? A. Arms. B. Feet. C. Hands. D. Legs. Correct answer, C. Hands. The next question is, which fruit helps in naturally lowering bad cholesterol? A. Apple. B. Orange. C. Avocado. D. Banana. Correct answer, C. Avocado. The next question is, which organ in the body filters about 50 gallons of blood daily? A. Liver. B. Kidney. C. Spleen. D. Lungs. Correct answer, B. Kidney. The next question is, which hormone increases during sexual arousal in both genders? A. Melatonin. B. Testosterone. C. Adrenaline. D. Prolactin. Correct answer, B. Testosterone. The next question is, which vegetable helps improve eyesight due to high beta-carotene? A. Potato. B. Tomato. C. Carrot. D. Spinach. Correct answer, C. Carrot. The next question is, which body fluid is alkaline in nature? A. Saliva. B. Urine. C. Blood. D. Semen. Correct answer, D. Semen. The next question is, which vitamin is essential for sperm motility? A. Vitamin B6. B. Vitamin D. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin E. Correct answer, C. Vitamin C. The next question is, which nut is linked to better sleep and sexual mood balance? A. Cashew. B. Pistachio. C. Almond. D. Walnut. Correct answer, D. Walnut. The next question is, which organ produces insulin in the human body? A. Liver. B. Pancreas. C. Intestine. D. Kidney. Correct answer, B. Pancreas. The next question is, which fruit contains an enzyme called bromelain, aiding digestion? A. Papaya. B. Pineapple. C. Kiwi. D. Mango. Correct answer, B. Pineapple. The next question is, which mineral helps regulate muscle contraction and blood pressure? A. Sodium. B. Iron. C. Calcium. D. Magnesium. Correct answer, D. Magnesium. The next question is, which organ is most affected by excess sugar intake? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Brain. D. Kidney. Correct answer, B. Liver. The next question is, which plant is known to boost male fertility naturally? A. Neem. B. Tulsi. C. Ashwagandha. D. Aloe vera. Correct answer, C. Ashwagandha. The next question is, which hormone helps reduce stress and supports sleep? A. Oxytocin. B. Cortisol. C. Melatonin. D. Adrenaline. Correct answer, C. Melatonin. The next question is, which vegetable is considered a natural aphrodisiac? A. Onion. B. Carrot. C. Cauliflower. D. Beetroot. Correct answer, A. Onion. The next question is, which organ contains about 25% of the body's cholesterol? A. Brain. B. Heart. C. Skin. D. Liver. Correct answer, A. Brain. The next question is, which vitamin is stored in fat and not water? A. Vitamin B1. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin D. D. Vitamin B12. Correct answer, C. Vitamin D. The next question is, which juice helps reduce acidity and soothes the stomach? A. Lemon juice. B. Pineapple juice. C. Aloe vera juice. D. Orange juice. Correct answer, C. Aloe vera juice. The next question is, which sexual organ is most sensitive to touch in males? A. Scrotum. B. Testicles. C. Penis. D. Prostate. Correct answer, C. Penis. The next question is, which food boosts both testosterone and brain function? A. Cheese. B. Garlic. C. Egg. D. Yogurt. Correct answer, C. Egg. The next question is, which body part has no fat cells? A. Eyelid. B. Nose. C. Eardrum. D. Tongue. Correct answer, C. Eardrum. The next question is, which vitamin is most essential for sexual hormone production? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin D. C. Vitamin K. D. Vitamin C. Correct answer, B. Vitamin D. The next question is, which part of the body is the most touch sensitive? A. Lips. B. Eyelids. C. Tongue. D. Fingers. Correct answer, A. Lips. The next question is, which natural drink helps cleanse the urinary tract? A. Coconut water. B. Lemon juice. C. Buttermilk. D. Sugarcane juice. Correct answer, A. Coconut water.